po magiging epekto nitong pagpatay sa patapili sa peace talks po with the NPA?
Wala parang peace talks. It's totally outside. So, in the meantime, I would just also ask the armed forces and the police just go ahead and wage a war against them. Kunya, anything goes for mo. And I will allow the police and the military this time to use all available assets. Mito nilang matibag kong aeroplano, mga jet. Makita ni mo na giinan kung man sila isuroy na use them. Gamita ang mga rockets. Kung naay collateral damage, pasensya.